Hi guys, so instead of doing the actual, so this is problem 8 on the review, I've decided to change it on the actual test because I made the other problem so long. Um, what I'm going to do is I'm going to request that you just find the determinant rather than find, 4 of them to solve this problem. So what it's going to do is it's going to say calculate the determinant, and I'm going to give you something like this. And this is just the coefficient one. This is just from the left side of this, which you would do if you were doing the Cramer's rule. Notice I put 0 for the bottom row where there's only 2 terms because the y is the one that's missing. And so if we wanted to find the determinant, we're just going to copy these 2 columns. And then we are going to multiply this way. And then subtract these ones multiplied going this way. Okay. So let's do the red ones first. The red ones first, we have negative 2 times negative 3 times negative 3 plus negative 1 times 1 times 2. And then we have plus negative 3 times 2 times 0. Okay, that's the first ones. Now we're going to subtract, so minus the blue ones, in parentheses, all of them. So we've got, let's start at negative 1 on the far right, negative 1 times 2 times 3, negative 3, plus negative 2 times 1 times 0, plus negative 3 times negative 3 times 2. Okay, so that's a lot of work. So let's multiply each of these. This is going to be negative 3 times negative 3, that's 9, times negative 2, that's negative 18. Negative 1 times 2, that's going to be negative 2. And the next one's going to be 0. Okay, minus, parentheses around all this, negative 2, and negative, so we have negative 1 times 2, that's negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. Plus, this is going to be 0, plus negative, negative, positive. So that's negative, negative, negative is positive. That's 9 times 2. That's 18. Okay. So we have negative 20 plus 0. That's plus, nope, minus 6 times 6 and 18 gives us 24. So this is negative 44. And that will be the determinant of this. I hope this is way shorter than the problem would have been if I had done Cramer's rule. I hope you guys are prepared. Make sure you guys are studying, do your best, and be ready for this test coming up. Thank you guys. If you have questions, don't forget to ask.